Today I will show you how to make pasta like this and surprise your family. Start by putting 150 grams of pasta to cook with a pinch of salt. Let cook for 4 minutes while we prepare a mouth-watering sauce. In a bowl, add 5 eggs, a little salt, black pepper, garlic powder and paprika to taste. Mix everything with will. This mixture will bring an incredible creaminess to our plate. Now, it's time to add 2 tablespoons of cream. Mix again until everything is well incorporated. Let's bring a little color and flavor with 150 grams of cherry tomato. And, of course, don't forget to add chives to taste to give that freshness. To make our dish even more irresistible, add 100 grams of mozzarella cheese. Cheese is always a good idea, isn't it? Now, cut 300 grams of green cabbage. This will bring a wonderful crunch to our snack. Heat a frying pan with a drizzle of olive oil, distributing well with a brush. Insert the cabbage and let it give a light braised. Then, add the cooked pasta along with the cabbage. And now, pour that sauce of spices with eggs on the pasta in the skillet. Let simmer for 15 minutes. This is the time to let the magic happen. And don't forget to turn our preparation so that both sides are evenly cooked. We want every bite to be perfect. To finish, add another 50 grams of mozzarella cheese and cook until the cheese melts. The aroma that will come out of this frying pan is to leave anyone with water in their mouth. And here it is. Our sensational pasta with eggs snack is ready to be served. Bon appetit and see you for the next culinary adventure.